Thursday night, future Trojans were able to meet new people and bond over activities at Butter and Egg Adventures.
We've done a lot of information-heavy things today. We've sprinkled a little bit of fun in there as well, but here at Butter and Egg, it's solely just to build relationships, let them have fun, have a good time.
Impact groups participated in games and friendly competitions, including kickball, ziplining, and paddle boating.
The teams are intermingling, talking, getting each other's phone numbers, making friends, and then after that we get to have a little bit of competitive fun. We get to compete against each other, so it's really just all about having fun and making good friendships along the way.
Students say the night at Butter and Egg allowed them to meet and get to know people they have not met yet. The night also provided a chance to just hang out and have some fun.
I think it's just so amazing that we get this opportunity that Troy provides for us, because not only do we get to feel a little bit more comfortable around one another, but we get to talk to other people in other color groups, but also just have a little bit more fun.
Students also say Impact as a whole provided them with more information about Troy and has made the transition to a new place much easier.
I like to come in here because of the amount of information that they have given us and just being able to bond with people that I haven't met before, because I was honestly nervous to come here for the first time, not knowing anyone. But it has been really nice meeting people and, being able to bond with other people.
Belle Johnson, Troy, TrojanVision News.